Fantastic low mileage, top of the range, 24-plate, Ford Ranger Wildtrak with 3-litre V6 diesel engine. VAT qualifying with high specification, finished in carbonised grey metallic with full ebony leather Wildtrak embossed leather upholstery. Covered only 8,009 miles. Fitted with £5,280 worth of optional extras to include. Technology Pack 68 factory-fitted electric roll cover with bed liner, 18-inch alloy wheels, blind spot monitoring, Bang & Olufsen sound system, factory-fitted detachable tow bar, supplied with remaining balance of manufacturer warranty until the 5th of April 2027. This Ranger comes with satellite navigation, auto Android or Apple CarPlay, adaptive cruise control, heated seats and heated steering wheel for those cold days and climate-controlled air conditioning for those warmer days, 360-degree camera, front and rear parking sensors, and advanced automated self-park system, advanced 4-wheel drive system, with terrain management to tackle the toughest of terrains. Why not inquire today? Just click the link or call to make an appointment.